Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, July the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 8848. 8848. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Yeah, 4 star Sudoku has always 24. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left to choose should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 1. Need a 5 here. 2 here. Need a 2 here. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 5 there. And we have a pair. The 1 and the 5 in this column. The 1 and the 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Need a 4 here. And I need a 7 here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 6 here. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 5. We have 8 and a 5 in the last column. So no 8 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 8 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers? The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. 9 and a 6. It's missing 9 and a 6, okay. Well. I need a 4 here. 4, need a 4 there. 9. We have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the mark. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. Need a 5 here. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 4 here. No 4, yeah. In this column, the first column, we need a 4. We have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. Well, here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Need a 7 here. Alright, and now well. The 9 here, the 9 there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Need a 5 here. 7, 7. I'm thinking. Come on. This is thing of 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. And 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 1. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Need a 3 here. 8 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So need a 1, need a 6, need an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left with 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 8. All right. Come on. 5, 5. 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 4, 4. Yeah. Need a 3 here. 2. I'm thinking 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in the first row should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the first row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Need a 4 here. Come on. Need a 6 there. Could be a 6 there. 3, 6, and a 7. I'm thinking. Come on. 3. Yeah. 2. 2. What a 5. 5. What the... Still thinking here. 1. 1. Need a 1 here. 1. What the 9. 2, 6, and the 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. And look, we have 6 and 7 in this column, so no 6 and 7 in this box. 6 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7. 6 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this row for number 2. Okay. 2. two, need a 2 there. 2 in this row, last row, 2 in the row above from that row. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Here also 2, 2, 2. And a 3 here, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 3 here. 3, 4, 8, and a 9. 3, 4. Well, 4 missing numbers here in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 3, 4, 8, 9. 3, 4, 8, 9, 3, 4, 8, 9, 3, 4, 8, 9, 3, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 4. Here can also not be 8 and a 9. And also another 3. 3, 8, 9. So one digit left should be the 4 then. Here we have 4 and a 3. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 3. So the 8 and 9 are left. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Alright. 3 or a 6, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 6. 7 or a 6, we have a 6 now, so this box should be a 7. 7 or 6, we have a 7 now, so this box should be a 6. One box left in this first column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Need 4 here. 4 missing numbers in this big. Oh wait, 3 or a 6. We have a 6 now, so this box should be a 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We see another 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes in there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left here. 1 and a 6. 1 and the 6 are missing. Let me mark those again. It's a pair here. 1, 5, and need a 9 here. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left is 6 should be there. So the 8 and the 9 are left here. 8, 9, and I need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column 3 now only 2 places left. For 3 could be here, could be there. We need a 1, 5, and this need a 6 here. In this row, we need a 6. Here can be 6. We have 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 and a 6, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 or a 5, we have a 5 now in the first column, so this box should be a 1. 1 and a 4, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in that column, no 4 there. Only place left for 4, it should be there. Then, can I count? Oh, well, I not started with counting. Anyway, 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 8, 9, and 7. We need a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row. Only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place left, 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. I need an 8 here. Need a 3 here. 3, 8, need a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. 8 or 9, we have an 8 now in this column, so this box should be 9. 2 numbers left. In this big square from 1 to 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright, so we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next now only 2 places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left with 8 should be there. And if you eliminate there, the 3, so 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers, the last numbers of this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes again. Yep, previous Sudoku I need also 16. This one another 16, and we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.